Okay, finally I learned how to enable like the cruise control. I thought I enabled it the old way via push set and then like plus up or limit or plus up, but I never managed to get it started. But the way to do it is, or I guess I just activated complete autonomous driving with this button. That's like the main autonomous button driving, the main button for autonomous driving, and kind of makes sense. You don't maybe just want a cruise control, you want autonomous driving if you have it activated, I assume. So now I pushed autonomous driving here. Now it's following the car. When it's green, it's active. So that's a good thing with when you have a milkshake and autonomous driving. You don't need to hold anything. And kind of like the only thing I see point of with adjusting the volume with a finger is that while eating French fries or something, you don't have to touch the controls. You just do like this.
I'm eating French fries now, so I can just wait.
Exactly, but we need to start it, I think. Oh. Yeah, this is funny. Like don't touch the stereo.
I don't touch
it. And as I understand it, adjusts after the speed as well, at the speed limits. I really actually like the small lights here. Yellow and then turns to red when it's critical. It starts braking actually. Yeah, see? But I mean, imagine when the autonomous driving does not work, if you just sideswipe the car here because the sensor is dirty or something, who are you going to blame? You cannot say to the insurance companies like, oh, well, I had a milkshake in my hand and the autonomous driving didn't see the car. You're the one in charge still. But one thing I kind of recognize with E63 AMG, E63S AMG 4MATIC Plus was when you like have been hammering it on the airfield for a whole evening, and then you put on fully autonomous driving and drove home. You are so relaxed and you just completely adheres to all traffic rules. Training driver, and so you never. So I had full autonomous driving past speed control, but it was no problem because you're so driving so legally. It's not fun, but you can do a lot of. You behave very well if you also have attention to the surroundings. See the nice E34 over there. What I kind of like is at these times autonomous driving makes sense. I mean, when you're having a milkshake and you don't have your hands free, but I don't think it's super good to have autonomous driving just so you can check the email or browse the web. I mean, that's wrong.
In the hamburger, no one likes it.
Exactly, I hate it as well. It's disgusting. I buy the small hamburgers and throw away the gurka. Is it cucumber?
I throw away the gurka.
The gurka.
This is so busy.
I can imagine what low consumption you have when you have complete autonomous driving. I mean, So does autonomous driving work here? Assisted driving mode, or I guess you turn too much for this. So, is this autonomous driving active now? Assisted driving mode. Håller i allt, inte spilla. There's the E34. Nice. So I guess autonomous driving might only work at motorways, I guess. Or maybe it works here. You kind of have a thing that it only works on highways. But I mean, I'm not sure if it would avoid that thing. I don't have the nerve to let it drive by itself here. I mean, imagine if it swipes a sidewalk here. So, will it stop here? Hope so. No. Maybe it will, but I will not. I'm not dare to let it. Let it figure that out by itself. Where is the security? Here, driving help. Driving. So let's put on autonomous driving again. I mean, wow, here's pretty. No, it drove over the limit or the lane. Imagine going to BMW, say, I want you to pay a new wheel because I scratched it. The autonomous driving didn't work. They will probably not pay it. Now this feels pretty crazy. It stops. Oops.
Who are we driving to?
Your grandparents.
Oh.
Why is it blinking to the right? This is really nice. It stops and starts by itself. Talk about active cruise control. Who's going in here? Okay.
Pappa,
Ella?
stannar bilen när den är så här åker själv när det är rött ljus?
Ja, bra fråga. Jag tror inte det. Jag tror inte det är en sensor för rött ljus. Ella was asking if it stops by itself when it's red light, but I don't think it does. I don't think it can spot red lights. So will it avoid the curb? I'm not sure. Okay.
Wow.
Sluta. Man ser inte om det kommer någon, så man får inte, kan ju ta säkra för osäkra där. Okay, turns all by itself. Wow. It lost track there for a while. But as soon as the steering wheel needs to be green. I guess the road is too bumpy for autonomous driving to kick in. Wow. I hit that. It was really close to the curb. It felt like. You got your McDonald's finally?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yes, but
Well, how was the expectation pictures and what you got? We forgot.
I got this.
Haven't you eaten any more?
I'm gone.
Yeah, I was like, what? You're full and eaten two gur?
Too good.
It's like a mini media to eat too little. Okay, autonomous driving is not woken up yet. Okay. Hesitant drivers. Oh, I3.
No! My favorite store is closed.
Yes, everything is closed. It's 1st of May, it's workers. If you are a socialist, you need to go out and demonstrate with the red flags. And sosse.
What?
Socialdemokraterna, Sveriges största parti. Löfven. Han är ute och demonstrerar idag.
Demonstrerar han?
Ja, exakt. Men han gör faktiskt det, lustigt nog. Ja,
För
han bara,
vadå?
jämlikhet för alla arbetare.
Han är politiker, han behöver ju inte demonstrera.
Nej.
Han kan ju bara liksom typ sända det på en tidning.
Ja, han gjorde ju det nu, men han gjorde inte det när man demonstrerade för de här ut pensionärerna som är hemlösa. Hallå, vi är på väg. Vi är där om 5 minuter. Vi har varit på McDonalds. Vi har varit på McDonalds. Hej.
Whoa, that's a long way to the house.
The castle. I want to show the nice view of the water. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to play with this robot autonomous. What
are you saying?
Autonomous driving. Autonom körning eller. Alltså, jag har glömt hur pinsam jag ser ut eller?
You look so weird in that little...
I look so nice in that.
Really nice. So nice.
Okay, yeah, I forgot to play with the autonomous driving.
But please stop saying that
Autonomous.
word.
Nej, autonomous. Autonomous driving.
It's okay if you just say one time. We don't need to hear it.
Autonomous
Please.
driving. Here does the ABBA singer live. And these guys have their own tennis court. Have you seen?
Tennis court.
Tennis court. Yeah, I didn't say
I thought you say tennis court.
Facepalm.
I love the houses here. I want to live here.
But Ella, if you would
I know you have said it 100 times.
yes, you will not have close to anything. Okay.
I thought you were going to say clothes. I'm like,
Aha.
what?
They have their private island here. That's pretty nice. They even have a pool inside the house.
Whoa.
When you live on an island. Oh.
And kind of a pool outside your
Yes.
house.
But colder.
Really cold.
Okay. Autonomous driving.
Please.
Can it be activated? Please.
It
Please.
would be cool if you just can say that and the car is listening to you and it's
Corrects me. Autonomous driving.
no, not correct you, but if you say that, like turn on the autonomous
Okay.
and
Yeah.
it will listen and do it
Yeah. Speech.
for you. That would be really cool.
Speech enabled. Yeah, that would be nice.
But that's really much.
No, but I mean, the car has speech recognition. I'm just too lazy to start it, or I don't know how to start it.
Oh.
Okay, now I have autonomous driving. Okay, here we have guards checking out the house. Of course.
A horse.
Oh, cute.
Really good.
She was on her phone. That was also autonomous driving, or
Yes.
autonomous riding.
I don't think it was like that because the horse don't know the way.
But it stops. It will not just walk down in the water. So I mean, this car doesn't know the way either. But sometimes it does with the navigation. That's true. Okay, assisted driving mode. But I want it to steer as well. But it will not do that probably when it doesn't have lines in the ground. It needs these white lines on the road.